Hey, Brady, what you doing? I'm playing in the laundry basket. I see playing in the laundry basket. What are you doing in there, huh? Are you playing with your toys? Are you playing with your toys? Is that your own little world? Oh, gotta relax. You gotta play. Gotta play. Oh. Oh. Ooh, there's the ice cream man. I hear the ice cream truck outside. I hear the ice cream truck outside. Where'd your toys go? There's another one. Whoa. Whoa. Where'd they go? Looks like you're kind of falling down, bud. No, I'm not. I'm just fine. Oh, dude. I don't think that's really big enough for you, buddy. I need to get you a little playpen. What are you doing? Look at my fat old legs. What are you doing? Hey, your other toy's behind you. Look. Look, baby. You want to roll over, don't you? Hey, but Mama, it's not big enough. It's not big enough. What are you doing, silly boy? What are you doing? Want your toys? Boop, 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 boop. What are you doing? Look at that baby in the laundry basket. Look at that baby in the laundry basket. Say okay. We'll see you later. Say bye-bye. 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 Bye-bye.